I'm Chef Joseph, and this is Chef Fabian.
Are you a fan of chemistry and love Italian cuisine? Well, you're in for a surprise.
Come join us in cooking fettuccine alfredo at 4 p.m. on CBS tonight.
We will be discussing 5 main topics to deal with how to cook our food.
The topics we will be discussing about is hydrogen bonding, combustion, specific heat, polarity, and how soap cleans.
These 5 topics will be incorporated into our show on how we cook our food.
So please join us.
What's cooking? I'm Chef Fabian.
And I'm Chef Joseph.
And welcome to our kitchen.
Today we will be making a delightful fettuccine alfredo dish. I bet you will enjoy it.
So the ingredients we'll be using to cook our fettuccine alfredo are butter, pepper, shredded Parmesan cheese, mint, sour cream, olive oil, fettuccine noodles, and finally water.
So, some of these utensils that we are going to use to make our pasta is we have some plates, to eat on. We have colander. We have measuring cup and some measuring spoons right here. We have our pot, and we have wooden spoons and the temperature, like the thermometer right here, and that's pretty much it.
So guys, now we're going to set up our water for the pasta, so here we go. And I might have a little bit more water into here because we need some more water in there, so let's add some water.
As you can see, we've added more water to this pot, and this is where the chemistry comes in. So, between all the water molecules, there are many small, weak bonds, as you can see, called hydrogen bonds. They are way weaker than ionic and covalent bonds, as we know. These bonds are a result of polar water molecules. This will make each water molecule attracted to the other. The hydrogen atom, as you can see the blue, the positive side, are attracted to the oxygen atoms, and those are negative because those are all the electrons, where the electrons are.
Now we're going to start boiling our water. So now I'm going to explain how combustion has a role in heating water. So this is the equation for combustion. So it's methane plus oxygen makes carbon dioxide and water. Methane, also known as a natural gas, is named methane due to having 1 carbon molecule. If it had 2 or 3 carbons, it would be called ethane or propane.
So one very important thing to know when boiling water is its specific heat.
And why is that?
Well, we need to know this because it is how many joules we need to put into this water to raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius, and it needs to be 100 degrees Celsius to boil. So, Fabian, our viewers want to know, what is the specific heat of water?
4.184 joules per grams degrees Celsius. So now I'm going to pour this oil into the water. This will help the water not overboil, and this will help the pasta not stick to each other. Okay, polarity is the charge of a molecule. The polarity of the water and the oil should be taken into account. Due to the water being polar and the oil being non-polar, they do not mix. The water is polar due to having hydrogen bonds, and the oil is non-polar because it contains hydrophilic tails. Why are you cutting it, Joseph?
Because you cut it in half.
So as you can see, I'm mixing the fettuccine because we don't want it to mix, because if it would mix together and get sticky together, like that'd be bad. So that's why I'm mixing it around a little.
So, now the pasta is done, so we're going to put it up in the colander. Gotta be very careful because it's very hot.
noise.
Alright, let's see.
Okay guys, so our pasta is looking ready. So we're gonna add in the butter, the cheddar cheese, the sour cream, and the pepper. And at the end we decided to add some milk, so let's go.
That's delicious.
It's very delicious, very
Look at
delicious.
that pasta right there.
Wait, all of it, right? All the butter?
Yeah, it's a lot.
Boom. Wow. We got the shredded cheese, we're gonna add that around. It's 1/3 cheddar cheese. Yeah, right? No,
Yeah.
1/4. And then we have the sour cream. Do I add the pepper next or the milk, right? 1/3 cup milk. Now I mix it right in. Okay. I'll start mixing it up a little bit. You can see it's starting to turn like the top layer. 3. Okay. So now we're gonna add some pepper into this. So it's 1, 2, 3. There we go, boys. I'll start mixing. Ooh.
Bro,
Bro.
it's time to eat.
Good eats today.
They're all eaten. Now we need to clean our dishes. We can't just use regular water because it won't do the trick. You need soap because soap has missiles that will like, they're non-polar. They have non-polar tails and they'll like take the oils on your plate, and when the water comes, they'll like take it with it. So let me just get some. That's it. All right, you can. All right.
So
Thank you for joining us, me and
had
Fabian.
we had a fun time. We ate up really good. We full.
Gained too many calories.
Hopefully I gained some pounds, but
Alright, we skinny though. Alright, thank you. We'll see you guys soon.